I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, deep down. And it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. In today's video, we're going to do a huge pantry organization and cleaning overhaul. As you can see, my pantry has been completely neglected and it's really, really bad. And it drives me crazy every time I walk in here. So we're gonna get this whipped into shape. So let's do this. So the first thing we need to do is take everything out of the pantry so we have nice, clean shelves to start with.
You've got two heavy hearts, it's not a lie. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light.
So as I was getting into it, I realized how big of a job this is. So I rounded up my husband to come help me. And he was like, you know what? There is nothing I would rather do on a Saturday than to clean out this pantry. Not. No, but he was happy. He was really helpful.
I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we're wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the to do. I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said
Okay, so now once you've removed everything from the shelves, go ahead and give them a really good wipe down. My favorite thing to wipe down the shelves with is just really, really hot water in a bucket with some Blue Dawn dish soap. Love that combination. But just go ahead and wipe down every surface before we start putting things back on the shelves. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is start organizing my canned food items. So I found these can organizers at Target. I'll put a link in the description box down below of every item that I use in this video. But these are amazing and they're so pleasing to the eyes. You'll see once I start putting the cans on here that you can see, you know, all the cans, and it looks really, really nice. But what I want you to do is get all of your cans and put them in certain categories like vegetables, fruits, meats, things like that, beans, and keep them together so that you'll know exactly where to go to find them in your pantry. But also another thing is when you're putting items back on the shelf, make sure that you put the label facing front. It's called front facing your groceries. My dad used to have a grocery store growing up, and when I was about 12, I think, I wanted a job so bad, and he's like, you know, you're still a little bit too young, but what you can do is you can straighten all the cans and the food on the shelves so that the labels are facing forward. So that's what I would do, and I absolutely loved it. So do that with your pantry. Face your labels forward, and it looks really, really pleasing to the eye.
Of the future and what's been, guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm wrong. I got it, I gotta go, running to better times. Go, from my emotions I'll go, running to better times, 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 to better times.
So I got all these little brown basket type bins from the dollar store. So you don't have to spend a lot of money to organize. I know that if you go to like the Container Store or places like that, you can get really, really nice see-through bins that look really nice in your pantry, but you'll also spend a fortune. So if you don't have a lot of money to organize right now, the Dollar Tree looks just as nice, I think, and you'll spend an eighth of the cost of what you would normally spend any other place. So that's what all these little brown baskets are from. And I also have white bins, and you'll see those a little bit later on in the video.
I gotta go, running to better times. Go, from my emotions I'll go, running to better times, 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 to better times.
You guys, I seriously don't know what the deal is, but I love ramen noodles. How many of you like ramen noodles? Am I the only one? I know it's cheap. I know it's probably not very healthy for me, but I love it. I love the taste. Am I the only one? Leave me a comment down below and tell me if you like it or if you hate them. Hopefully I'm not the only one that loves them.
Running to better times, 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 to better
to hold my hand, standing in the shadows of where we have been, sleeping with your back facing me. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 We've been into places all at once. Wish that what we said would come undone. Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't us.
I got these little clear containers from Target also, and they have like a suction lid on top. I'll show you after I put this brown sugar in, but these are perfect for your baking ingredients: flour, sugar, brown sugar, powdered sugar, things like that.
Tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one.
These jars right here are from IKEA, and they're not very much money, but I really like these. You can use them for a lot of different things. I like to use them for my noodles. They have short ones like this, or you'll see in a minute they have tall ones for spaghetti noodles or fettuccine noodles. I also have some in my fridge filled with fresh fruit. So lots of different uses, and they're really pleasing to the eye, but you can just find them at IKEA.
Dancing as one. 'Cause we're 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 dancing as one.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. 'Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
These cereal containers I got from Target. They're really nice. And then these are just some after pictures of when everything was organized, and looks really nice. Also on my baking containers for flour and sugar, I had one of my friends, her name is Tara Hall. She has a blog called Lick the Spoon Kind of Life. Look her up, she's awesome. But she made these little labels for me, and I absolutely love them. So thanks, Tara. Here's my before and after pictures. Thanks for watching, you guys, and please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my content. I post 2 videos weekly. Thanks, bye.
Yeah, I'm on my way now.